Hey YouTube, what's up? Big Z here.
Big Kai.
We are Lost in MPK, listening to more music from around the world. This time we're listening Asia's Got Talent, right? So El Gama's touching tribute to Mother Nature. I don't know if that's just a title or an artist and title, but let's give them a listen and let's see what a touching tribute to Mother Nature sounds
All
like.
right. Pretty sure it'd be touching.
Let's see how touching. A whole group of kids. Oh, performance art.
Oh,
Oh, that's
cool.
awesome. That's iconic.
Oh, that's cool.
That's amazing.
Oh, no.
We heard this song in the movie. That's incredible.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
That's cool. Good. Oh man, that was beautiful. That was touching. Ooh, that got me. That got me.
That is awesome.
These kids can put a show together. Oh man, that really got me. That was so good.
Man, what got me was that rhino.
Oh yeah, that's some of the brutalities, right? We're just going on safari and hunting and poaching and just killing animals for what reason?
Yeah.
Like exactly for what reason other than profit, which is not a good enough reason. That was beautiful.
It was very beautiful.
I wonder where these kids are from. You guys need to tell us. Wow, that was quite.
I'm like kind of speechless, right? I can't even think.
I like that ending where the little tree and it goes to the big tree and then it was Mother Nature.
Mother Nature, yes.
Oh man, you see, we all share one mother.
Yeah.
Mother Nature, Mother Earth.
Take care of it. It's gone.
And we gotta take care of it or else.
Yeah.
And the whole world knows this. It was great. That was a wonderful performance. Thank you for sending that our way. That was, that was touching. You said it. You remember it was gonna be. Woo, that was good. I believe in that. That was a wonderful,
very beautiful.
Wonderful suggestions. Let us know your comments and your opinions down below. Keep sending that good stuff to us. That's something else. And let us know where this group is from and what country, or if other performances they might have, or how they even did on Asia's Got Talent. Right? We'll have the discussion later down below.
Hopefully they won.
We'll talk to you guys later. Take care. Ciao.